In this video, I will show you step by step how you can make up to $100 with Pinterest affiliate marketing as a beginner, okay? As you can see over here, I made $15,250 in commission just in one single month, okay? In the month of March, from the first day of March until the last day of March over here, 31. I will click on update, and as you can see, the numbers are still the same numbers. It's not screenshots. I'm not showing you a screenshot like other people. I'm showing you my affiliate account dashboard, as you can see, okay? So if you are interested to start making money with Pinterest affiliate marketing, just follow those steps and follow those methods that I will share with you in this video for free, and let's get started. Okay, so for people who are new to my YouTube channel and you want to start making money with Pinterest affiliate marketing, go to Google first. Go to Google, search for Fiverr, click on the first link, okay? Sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page, and you should have an account like this one with Pinterest, with Fiverr, okay? So you just need to come to this page and scroll down and go to community and click over here on affiliate, okay? And here you go, you will be directly in this Fiverr affiliate website. You can check this website so you can get idea about how much you will earn for each service. They are really paying good commission, guys, and you can make so much money, okay? So just click on join now, and here you go, you will be directly in this sign up process page to Fiverr affiliate program. Just put your first name, your last name, your email address, username, your password, and account type. Make it private. Do you have main source of traffic? You can say yes or no. Choose your country and choose your language, okay? If you have Skype, you can put your Skype here. If you don't have, that's fine. Just click on next and that's it. After you finish, this will be your home page, and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr affiliate marketing, okay? What you need to do next is you need to choose a good and profitable services that you will promote on Pinterest to earn commission. And I will share with you guys one of my profitable affiliate link that you can copy and paste so you can start promoting this service on Pinterest to earn commission, okay? So what you will do, you will go back to your home page on Fiverr, okay, and search for this service. Search for Pinterest, okay? Search for Pinterest marketing, okay? Search for Pinterest marketing, okay? So people who are using Pinterest, they will be interested to grow their Pinterest account, okay? So a lot of people will be interested to buy this service. This service is related to Pinterest, okay? And a lot of people who have a Pinterest account, business account, and they want to promote their businesses, those people will be interested to buy this service, okay? So what you will do, you will scroll down. I want you to pay attention in this step, okay? Always make sure to choose good seller. Choose like level 1 seller, level 2 seller, top rated seller, sellers who has a lot of reviews. So if people click on your affiliate link and they find those sellers are good sellers, they will buy this service from your affiliate link and you will earn commission, okay? So let's choose, for example, like this one is really looking good. I will promote your product to my high traffic Pinterest account. This one is looking good, level 2 seller. He has a lot of reviews. I will click on his service, okay? You will be directly in his Fiverr profile page, and as you can see, this seller has 10 orders in queue, okay? So people who has Pinterest account, they are buying this service. As you can see, 10 orders in queue. People are buying this service, okay? Which people will buy this service? Only people who has Pinterest account, okay? So what you will do, you will copy this seller profile link like this and go back to your Fiverr affiliate account, click on marketing tools, click on default and deep links, and click over here and put this seller profile link here like this, and click over here, and here you go, you just created your first Fiverr affiliate link. what you need to do next is you need to promote this affiliate link on Pinterest. Okay, let's go to Pinterest. So if you don't have Pinterest account, let me show you. It's super easy. Just go to Google, search for Pinterest like this, click on the first link, sign up by using your email address. Make sure to open Pinterest business account, not personal account. We need Pinterest business account. After you finish, this will be your homepage and you should have an account like this one with Pinterest. And did you know that Pinterest has 1 billion monthly visitors? Okay, Pinterest has 1 billion monthly visitors, guys. You can make so much money. Okay, you can get so much traffic from Pinterest if you do it correctly. Okay, 1 billion monthly visitors, that's a really a big number. Okay, and it's a really, you can get, like I said, a lot of traffic for free from Pinterest if you do it correctly. Okay, so anyways, after you finish, click on home feed, click on create pin. You will be directly in this page. Go back to this seller profile page on Fiverr. Okay, scroll down, click on his picture, double click, save this picture to your laptop. Okay, save this picture to your laptop. I will name it marketing Pinterest like this. Okay, I will go back to Pinterest. I will click over here. I will upload this picture to my Pinterest account. Open, and here you go. You need title, description, and your affiliate link. So what you will do, you will go back to the seller profile page and you will copy his title like this. Go to Pinterest and put this title over here. Okay, and over here description, go back to the seller profile page, scroll down. You have here about this gig. This is his description. Okay, so you can copy this part. I will copy this part like this. I will go to Pinterest and I will put this description here. You need to put your affiliate link here. Go back to your Fiverr affiliate account and copy your affiliate link from here. If you don't have this old plan, you can copy this one, new plan. It's almost the same. Okay, you can click over here and you can check this information about this new plan. It's really good. Okay, you will get, so let me explain. You will get a commission if a person buy this service from your affiliate link, you will earn commission. Okay, and if this person keep buying this service in the next 12 months, okay, you will keep getting 10% of his purchase. Okay, and it's really good. It's you can make a good commission with this new plan. Okay, so just go back to your Pinterest account and put your affiliate link here, scroll down, click on choose the board. So if you have new account, click on create a board and you just need to give it a name and that's it, and you can create as many as you want. Okay, I will choose this one. So you have here tags. You need to put here keywords. So what you will do, you will go back to this seller profile page, scroll down, keep scrolling down. Okay, and you have here related tags. Copy those keywords. So copy just keywords about Pinterest. I will copy this one, go to Pinterest and put this keyword here, Pinterest marketing growth, and add all keywords are related to Pinterest. Okay, like Pinterest marketing growth, Pinterest ads, Pinterest manager, and so on. Okay, after you finish, click on publish, and here you go. You just published your first Fiverr affiliate link on Pinterest. Okay, and that's it. That's how you can promote your affiliate links on Pinterest. If you have new Pinterest account, make sure to promote just between 1 and 2 affiliate links per day. If you start promoting a lot of affiliate links, your account will get banned. I have old Pinterest account and I'm promoting a lot of affiliate links because I have old account. Okay, so for you, you need to start promoting just few affiliate links per day, like 1, 2, and between 1 and 2. After a few weeks or few months, then you can start promoting a lot of affiliate links to increase your commission. Okay, and that's it. As you can see, this seller, it's working. Okay, this seller has 10 orders in queue. People who has Pinterest account, they are buying this service. Okay, and that's it. You are promoting services that are related to Pinterest, what that people will be interested to buy, that those services will help those people to grow their Pinterest account and to get more, maybe more followers, more views, and for you, you will earn commission, and that's it. Okay, this is the method that I'm using to earn this commission. Okay, and that's it, guys. I'm not just using Pinterest, I'm using YouTube, Facebook groups, Instagram, Quora, and so much more. Make sure to check my YouTube channel. I upload a lot of videos in this YouTube channel, sharing with you guys all the methods that you can use to get free traffic to promote your affiliate links. Okay, and see you in my next video.